it's Gina with WTI, and nothing ruins my relaxing time in my Wise Owl hammock faster than getting attacked by the elements. Whether that's a surprise shower of rain, too much sun, or the birds using me as target practice. I got this Wise Fly from Wise Owl, and it has been so nice to protect my hammock so that I can truly enjoy my time out here. This was really easy to set up. I did it by myself in a short amount of time. Now, the area that I have for hanging my hammock is a little bit shorter than the length of the Wise Fly. So what I did is I tucked the corners in and just wrapped them with the tie rope, and that worked really well. It kept me very dry, very shaded, and away from all those droppings. The corners are really well reinforced, as is the entire tarp itself, with extra binding. As someone who used to work as a seamstress for a tarp company, I really appreciate the attention to detail and the stitching on this. It is built to last, and I know that I'm going to be able to use it for many, many seasons. This Wisefly tarp is the perfect addition to your hammock experience, whether that's just lounging in your front yard or if you want to go hardcore camping with this. It is up to the task, and that's my point of view.